Hello,
Hello,
friends.
friends. My name is
My
Joe
name is Joe
Boahin.
Boahin.
I'm
Today,
here to educate and
I'm here
inspire you
to
to greatness through this
educate and
video
inspire you
from
to
Boahin Farms
greatness.
Complex Limited. I am an expert in personal finance, entrepreneurship, business, and life coaching. Today, I want to
Alright.
discuss with you about how you can seek financial freedom. We all need financial freedom because money runs the world. Money controls almost everything in this world. It is said that he who has maize has chickens. Remember that for you to clothe, shelter, or feed yourself, you need money to a larger extent. It is always said that life is what you make it. This simply means that life is based on choices. You choose to become what you are. Being rich or poor may largely depend on your choices, your profession or work, your level of education, the type of your education being formal or informal, vocational and technical or academic, general arts or visual arts, agricultural science or general science, accounting or management, carpentry or masonry, mechanical engineering or electricals, fashion design or hospitality management, etc., are all based on choices. To end your formal education at either the basic level, secondary level, or tertiary level may be a choice as well. Even at the tertiary level, one may choose to earn it at the first degree, master's degree, or PhD level. After the education, some choose to establish their own businesses while others choose to work for government or private institutions. That is, some become employers while others become employees. Some choose one industry over others. Some people, some employees also choose to have side businesses while others solely stick to their employment. When people get money, they have different ways of spending it. Some save the money, but others invest or spend it all. They are all a matter of choice. The reality is that you reap what you sow. Nobody sows pepper and reap onion. You cannot eat your cake and have it. As you eat your eggs, you chew your chickens. Some people choose entertainment over financial education and self development. Many people need financial freedom, but they don't take time to learn about the subject money. They don't learn about how to create multiple streams of income, how to maintain or sustain money, and how to multiply money. Many people lack critical thinking, systems thinking, analytical, and problem solving skills. They waste their precious time complaining and giving excuses instead of seeking solutions to their problems. Some, however, expect God to do everything for them, forgetting that God has given mankind dominion over everything on this earth. Some people even believe that they are destined to be poor, but others believe that with maximum effort, they could succeed in life. Some people think that because of their family background, country, continent, race or color, tribe, parents, leaders, economy, witchcraft, and the devil, they cannot succeed in life at all. Others believe that with educate determination, perseverance, focus, and vision, they can succeed in life. That is the mindset. Those with fixed mindset believe that they cannot grow beyond their God given talent, whilst those with growth mindset believe that with the greatest of effort, they can achieve everything. That is, the sky is their limit. Remember that you will become what you choose to be. If you choose to be rich, you will be guided in your decisions. You will seek the right information about money and sources. You will learn to take responsibility for whatever happens in your life. Being a doctor, accountant, entrepreneur, lawyer, teacher, nurse, engineer, rich, poor, successful, failure is a matter of choice. Please, I therefore encourage you to choose riches over poverty and success over failure. To do all this, there's a cost to pay. The rich pay their cost for success earlier in life than the poor. Today is Sunday, 12th of November 2023. I chose to come to bush to herd my cattle. I had many choices to make on this Sunday morning. But you know what? I prioritized monitoring my cattle and other related projects over other militating interests. Sundays are full of activities naturally in our setting. Most Christians go to church, others go to fan clubs, keep faith clubs, funerals, wedding and naming ceremonies. To put it so, one will have many choices to make within this day. The activity you find yourself in today amount to a choice you have made. The choice you make has its own consequences, be positive or negative. It is very important to know that nobody can control your life than yourself. Making the right financial decision does not happen by chance. You have to make a decision to learn about money, no matter your background. You should take it as a business to learn about money until you unlock the gate of riches and sources. Believe in yourself. You can achieve your dreams if you are determined and focused enough. Be positive minded. Don't be scared by failure. Failure is part of the journey of success. You have not failed until you stop doing it. Learn from your mistakes. Learn to rise when you fall. Keep going. Keep going until you get to your dream destination. Believe in yourself because you are fearfully and wonderfully made by your Creator. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share my channels on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn with your friends. Follow me for more of these important videos about money and financial literacy, and it will help you. Your life will never be the same. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.